Starting with the US dollar. We don't have any trend sync or volume wave. We've had this little activity where we've been bouncing up off of overhead resistance and then recovering back down. Kind of stopped right here. This is actually kind of support right here. So it needs to kind of decide what the hell it's going to do, whether it's going to go up or down. But since everything is out of whack today, I would say this one you could probably skip. Euro USD, we have volume wave and trend sync to the downside. So this one's a go for doing a short. We're blowing through this little tiny bit of support. There's another area of support down here, but that's a good 30, 40 pips away. So you can probably take this one to the bank. So trend sync and a bearish volume wave. Pound US dollar, nothing's lined up. So this one's probably a wait and see. You got a little bit of overhead resistance here. You got a lot of support here. We're kind of right in the middle of the sandwich, which that's always the sucky spot. So we're going to just ignore that one for today.
Sounds good.
New Zealand US dollar. This one popped into sync last night. This is the one that I took overnight. And I just closed out this morning for about 15 pips. So that was a nice little trade. Whether it's still good, I don't know. It fired at about 4 o'clock yesterday afternoon, which is when today starts, Forex world. So, I mean, it's still all lined up. Probably it's an okay trade. I just be really careful. But since I don't like to go back to the well twice, so I won't do that one again. US Canadian dollar right now, no trend sync and no volume waves. And we're like...
Canada just had some good news too, so...
Oh, did they? Okay.
Yeah, it's probably why it's not going to be all...
That's why it didn't crash. So it's probably pushed into the upside, or at least maybe. I don't know. We'll see.
Yeah.
I'm gonna stay away from it because none of my stuff says to buy.
Yeah, no, it's understandable.
USD-CHF, same kind of a situation. No trend sync, no volume wave. Middle of the sandwich, pushing up against overhead resistance. Yeah, forget that one. And then US GPY, same thing. Pretty yucky. We have overhead resistance here, but nothing's in alignment. So I'm gonna do nothing on that one.
It's going back to its normal self of flatlining.
Exactly, it is. The only time it did anything was when they intervened with the currency, and that was it.
Yeah.
All right.
Well, all right. Works for me.
Have a good one.
All right, you too.